Hey there guys, my name is Vlad and welcome to my channel. So check this unusual device. These are actually gaming earbuds by Gravastar. This is the Sirius Pro model and besides its cool looks, do they sound good? Stay tuned and you'll find out. So before I answer that question, let me show you what you will get in the box. You get the earbuds, of course, with such a unique case that everybody will ask, wow, what's that? You get replaceable earplugs in various sizes, Type-C cable for charging and carrying chain, necklace thingy, whatever you want to call this. So you open the case by pressing the side button and the cover will just pop out revealing two earbuds. They are using Bluetooth 5.1 technology and each earbud can be used independently, of course. Material of the case is a zinc alloy and it feels really heavy. Earbuds are made of plastic and are not that heavy, but the shape of them is not what you are used to from other earbuds, with longer body like in traditional earbud style. These are, let's say, different in every way. The base uses Knowles balanced armature for delivering rich and clear bass in combination with dynamic drivers with a frequency ranging from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. In my opinion, the sound is more than decent, maybe the mid-range is not that clear, but you gotta understand that these are advertised as gaming earbuds and for that purpose they are excellent. I haven't had any issues with latency and such, it's more than okay and it also supports active noise reduction with dual microphones. The information about the codec these are using is not available at the moment, I can only see AAC when I connect them to my phone. Pairing is simple, open the case, get them out of the case and turn the Bluetooth on your phone. It will register them in seconds. But there is something that I don't like about these earbuds, it's their battery life. They are rated at 4 hours if you're listening to 70% volume, but if you're listening to the max volume, you'll get some 3.5 hours out from them. But if you listen to 50%, for example, I think you can get some 5 to 6 hours out of them. That is not enough in my opinion, as almost every other earbuds are offering 8 to 12 hours of continuous use before charging. Charging time for these is some 2 hours, but the case also contains a battery, so they are charging when stored in case. Case supports up to 3 full chargers before you need to charge everything. Not a bad thing with this option, but as I said, it would be cool if the time of usage is a bit longer. In their defense, this is not a retail sample that I got here, this is still an engineering sample, so there might be some upgrades and bug fixes once they hit the retail production. On the bottom of the case there is a Type-C charging port and a reset button if for some reason you need to repair them again. So all in all, these are quite unique earbuds, meant for gaming primarily, and for that purpose they are doing their job excellently. You can listen to music on them as well. For the majority of people, sound will be more than okay, but if you are nitpicky, you will notice that mid sounds need more definition. One cool thing is that a part of the case is actually a bottle opener, so get your favorite drink, open the bottle and game on. On the other hand, you can always brag with these thanks to its unique design. Trust me, everybody will ask you, wow, what's that? Can I see that? Call quality is also okay, anybody on the other end will have no problems hearing you properly. Active noise cancelling is doing its job as it should. Thanks for watching guys, if you like the content please subscribe to my channel, it really means a lot. Leave a like and share the video and I'll see you in the next one. Also huge thanks goes to Gravastar for sending these earbuds for review. Pop. Check this. Pop. Pop. So thanks for watching guys, thanks also Pop. Guys, it's Vlad and welcome to my channel. So check this unusual device. Pop. Pop.